Here we go again. We've got a big container full of all these balls. And when we take one out, we don't put it back in. So what's the probability that both balls are red? Okay, let's think about that. Probability that I'll call it red 1 and red 2, right? They both are red. So that means I've got the probability of red 2, given that I've got red 1 on the first choice, times the probability of red 1. So then I'm going to look at C. So again, you want to always think of doing this one first. So if I was to choose first a red one out of all of these balls, I'd have 25 out of the 40 balls total. Okay, so then I didn't replace, right? No replacement. So I only have 39 balls left. And so then I'm going to have 24 to choose from that will be red. Sorry, it's kind of messy. 24. Okay, so let's look at this one. So the probability that I've got second ball is red, but the first ball is not. Okay, so that would mean the second ball is red and the first one is blue. Okay, I'm just going to, you can use all kinds of notation. So probability of red 2 given B1 times the probability of the blue. The first one is blue. So again, I always encourage you to go to the first. So the first one is blue. That means there's 15 out of the 40 balls that are blue. And then how do I do this one? I did not put back the ball, so I have 39 left to choose from, and of the red balls I have 25, so those two numbers. All right, this one's kind of tricky. Probability the second ball is red. Okay, so that means probability second ball is red. I have choices. That means or, right? So I have the probability that the second ball is red and the first ball is red, or, which means plus, the second ball is red and the first ball is blue. Okay, so let's flesh that out. So that means I'm just going to write out the probability R2 given R1 times probability of R1, or probability of R2 given B1 times the probability of B1. All right, so let's flesh that out and what this is meaning. So let's start with this one. Probability that the first one is red. First one is red. Look at how many reds I've got. I've got 25, right? So this would be 25 divided by 40. And then probability of R2 given R1. I have not put that ball back. So I've got 39 and 24 here. Let's do this one. So probability that the first ball is blue. Oh yeah, that's 15 out of 40. And then again, I haven't put that ball back. So that's a 39 and with a 25 on the top. And that's the answer.